गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
देखिए कभी ना एक बच्चे।
गुड मॉर्निंग अथर। गुड मॉर्निंग आयुष्मान। गुड मॉर्निंग स्तुति। Kids, is your work completed? Athar Singh and Ayushman, have you completed the chapter?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning. Is your work completed, beta? Stuti, Athar and Ayushman?
यस मैम। मैम मैं गिव रीजन लास्ट
Athar and Ayushman, what about you? Work completed?
यस मैम माय वर्क इज कंप्लीटेड।
Athar Singh? Athar Singh, is your work completed? Athar Singh, can you hear me?
मैम गिव रीजन लास्ट आंसर इज लेफ्ट।
Completed then. And Stuti and Ayushman, have you sent your work on the group?
नो मैम।
Please send it right now. Ayushman, you as well,
मैम अलॉन्ग विद मैप।
along with maps. Are maps completed? Stuti, are your maps completed as well? Ayushman, is your work completed with maps?
मैम माय
Yes, maps done.
मैम मैप नहीं हुआ है बाकी सब हो गया है।
Please send the entire work you have done, and I request you people to complete your maps today itself and send me the maps tomorrow. ठीक है? स्तुति, अथर्व and Ayushman, is that clear?
ओके मैम।
Okay, Ayushman, in the meanwhile, could you please send me the next chapter of history on my personal
ओके
chat?
मैम मुगल एम्पायर।
No, not Mughal Empire, the next one.
अच्छा।
Okay, we'll start with the new chapter today.
मैम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर इज चैप्टर 6 डिवोशनल पाथ टू द
Exactly.
डिवाइन।
Yes, 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 that one. Good morning, everyone. Ansh, good morning. Why they are unable to join?
Maya sent first picture.
Good morning, Palak and Shobit. Is your all of your work completed?
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it is completed except the maps.
Please complete the maps today as well. Okay, Palak, what about you? Is the work completed?
Ma'am, last question is left.
Please complete that and send it to me on the group. And for the maps, I'm giving you today's time. Complete the maps today and send it them by tomorrow. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, kids, today we are going to start with a new chapter that is devotional paths to the divine history. Right, children? Okay. Is my screen visible to you? Kids, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, let's start with the diagnostic test. Uh, do you have any idea about these? Which of the following is Nyaya, Samakhya, Yoga, Garbhagriha? You know what it is? You know what it is? Garbhagriha is one stage about which we'll study in this chapter. Okay. Next, in ancient time period, temples were not only places of worship but for other activities. Can you tell me what other activities were used to happen in the temples? Announcement of war, cultural activities, trading activities, or
Cultural
for
activity.
electing their king.
Cultural activity. I'm
Well done,
cultural.
well done, Atharv. Absolutely good, Ayushman. Cultural activities. Next is Akbar adopted the policy of tolerance towards all religions, right? A, it was needed for good agricultural production. B, it was needed for getting interreligious marriages. D, it was needed for defense and harmony in the country. C, it was needed to make forts.
Ma'am, C option.
C
Okay.
option. Ma'am, C.
Who is entering by the name Del? Any idea? Do you know who's entered by the name Del?
No.
Who has entered by the name Del? Who's this? Is this a kid from our class? Who has entered by the name Del? Better tell me your name.
Ma'am, I'm Vabika.
Okay, Mamika. Fine, children. Right? So, yeah, it was C next. Vamika, we are starting with a new chapter. We're just doing a recapitulation of what do we know. Next is what is incorrect about Buddhist Sangha? Do you know anything about Buddhist Sangha? Do you have any previous knowledge about them? No, let's move ahead with that. Do you know devotion has no barrier? Which of the following options justifies? Vasco da Gama, Babur's Wangzang, Megasthenes.
Babar.
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 Why? Why Babur? Why Babur? Okay, बच्चों. Right? So now we'll start with the chapter. Yes.
Devotional paths to the divine. We'll discuss the following concepts: social conditions, bhakti, legacy of various kinds of bhakti and Sufi movements has evolved since the 8th century. This tradition
Sorry.
revolves around the idea of a supreme god. The bhakti and Sufi traditions have similar notion or ideas regarding.
Kids, have you ever heard about this Bhakti or Sufi movement? Do you know what it is? What does it stand for? Do you
Ma'am,
know
Sufi
anything
are
about
the
these?
saints of Muslims.
Kanji?
Ma'am, Sufi are the saints of Muslims.
Yes. Actually, these movements, both of the movements begin in the medieval period, whether it was the Bhakti or the Sufi movement, right? The Bhakti movement brought a change in the Hindu religion, right? Where they want to change the practices of how the people have been practicing their religion, and the Sufi movement occurred in the Muslim religion, right? Both of these movements were somewhere trying to change the way people have their look towards their religion. Okay?
Love and devotion to God. In this chapter, we shall see in detail about the various aspects of these traditions. We have discussed that the state and society brought different beliefs together, and with time, differences
Wait,
based on class and property emerged.
wait for a minute. Let's start with here.
You all might have been to different kinds of religious centers to pray, like temples, mosque, church or gurudwara, etc. Visiting these places gives people positive energy and immense peace of mind. Can you recall a few examples of famous worship places? From the 8th century, people started engaging themselves in different means of worship, like chanting mantras, singing kavalis or bhajans, etc. It was at this time that the Bhakti and Sufi movements emerged. Before the big kingdoms evolved, people used to pray to or worship a deity of their choice. As more people came into contact with each other, due to the growth of different towns, empires, and trade, the ways of worship also changed, and eventually, new thoughts and ideas started to evolve. One such thought was that all living things pass through countless cycles of birth and rebirth based on an individual's good or bad deeds. During the 8th century, casteism was widely practiced, where people were differentiated based on their caste, and the social benefit.
See, kids, we have been studying about casteism a lot, right? And there was one thing which was somewhere going very bad in the Hindu religion, right? Which was this casteism. Do you know this? Hello? Can you hear me?
Uh, yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Children,
yes.
am I audible to you? right?
Yes, ma'am.
So as we have gone to different places of worship, whether it's temple, whether it's mosques, whether it's church or gurudwaras, right? We know whenever we visit a place of worship, it gives and fills us with a lot of positive energy and immense peace of mind, right? Now tell me one thing. If you'll go to any of these places and we will not be donating anything, अगर आप यहाँ पे जाके कोई पैसे नहीं चढ़ा रहे हो, कुछ दे नहीं रहे हो, तो क्या आपको पॉजिटिविटी कम फील होगी या इक्वली फील होगी तब भी?
No, equally.
एंड डज इट डिफरेंशिएट कि अगर कोई एक रिच पर्सन जाएगा तो उसको ज्यादा पॉजिटिविटी फील होगी एंड अ पुअर विल गो उसको कम पॉजिटिविटी फील होगी, ऐसा भी होता है क्या?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
इट्स सेम फॉर ऑल, राइट? है ना?
Yes,
एंड
ma'am.
एंड डज इट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम कास्ट बाय कास्ट?
No, ma'am.
कि कोई
No, ma'am.
हाई कास्ट कोई ब्राह्मण जाएगा तो उसको ज्यादा पॉजिटिविटी फील होगी, उसको गॉड ज्यादा ब्लेसिंग देंगे, या फिर कोई शूद्रा जाएगा तो गॉड उसको कम ब्लेसिंग देंगे? इज इट लाइक दैट? कैसा होता है?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, right? So these were the ideas which these Bhakti and Sufi saints started putting forward at that point of time. Because see, as we know, in the ancient, if we talk about the medieval or ancient period, only and only they were the priests, right? Who knew how to read the scriptures and they only knew how to interpret it. Because जो normal जनता थी उसको तो संस्कृत आती नहीं थी बोलनी और पढ़नी, है ना? So they read the scriptures, the Upanishads, the Vedas, the Varnas, whatever it was, right? They read it all and they interpreted in their own manner कि भाई भगवान ने कहा है कि नहीं सिर्फ ब्राह्मण्स हैं वही अपर कास्ट है, बाकी सब लोअर कास्ट है, वो अनटचेबल्स हैं, वो अछूत है। डू यू रियली बिलीव भगवान ने कभी ऐसा कहा है? नो, राइट? रामायण देखी है सबने?
Yes, ma'am.
उसमें आपने देखा है ना कि वो जो होते हैं राम जी शबरी के किसी के बेर खाते हैं, हु इज एन अनटचेबल, जिसको पूरे सब लोग नहीं छूते हैं, कुछ नहीं करते हैं। सो गॉड हैज नेवर distinguished or differentiated amongst people. It is the people only who have started differentiated amongst each other and who had somewhere instilled this no, this you can say poison of differentiation or discrimination amongst the religion, है ना? So from 8th century, people started to connect with God using different means of praying. That is chanting mantras, singing kavalis or bhajans. Have you read about Ashwamedh Yagna in class 6? Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
राइट? सो उससे पहले हमें बताया गया था कि नहीं नहीं, गॉड कैन ओनली बी कनेक्टेड थ्रू ह्यूज यज्ञास, राइट? जो बड़े बड़े हवन करेंगे हम, उसके थ्रू ही हम गॉड से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। एंड गॉड से कनेक्ट करने के लिए हमें प्रीस्ट की हेल्प की जरूरत है, उनकी हेल्प के बिना हम गॉड से कनेक्ट ही नहीं कर सकते, राइट? सो देन दीज सेंट्स, जो भक्ति सेंट्स आए, उन्होंने इसी आइडिया को चैलेंज किया। उन्होंने कहा नहीं, ये तो गलत है। ऐसा थोड़ी कि हम भगवान को सिर्फ पैसे से या फिर सिर्फ प्रीस्ट को महंगे महंगे गिफ्ट्स देके और बड़े बड़े यज्ञ करा के कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। दे वर लाइक दिस इज रॉन्ग, गॉड कैन बी कनेक्टेड थ्रू डिफरेंट अदर मीन्स एज वेल, राइट? ओके। सो बिफोर बिग किंगडम्स वन वर्शिप डाइटीज ऑफ वंस चॉइस। तो ये बड़े बड़े किंगडम्स नहीं बने थे, राइट? तब क्या होता था, लोग अपनी अपनी चॉइस से अपनी अपनी डाइटी को वर्शिप करते थे। ऐसा नहीं था कि नहीं आपको इन्हीं भगवान को वर्शिप करना है, आपकी जो, क्योंकि पहले ना लोग किंगडम्स में नहीं ट्राइब्स में रहते थे, ठीक, छोटी छोटी। सो उन ट्राइब्स में लोगों ने अपने अपने गॉड्स बना रखे थे, जिसको जिस गॉड को प्रे करना है वो उस गॉड को प्रे करते थे, नो बडी एवर क्वेश्चन देम। बट जब ये किंगडम्स बने तो फिर किंग्स ने कहा कि नहीं, इस किंगडम में इन गॉड को प्रे किया जाएगा, इस किंगडम में इन गॉड को प्रे किया जाएगा, राइट? राइज ऑफ डिफरेंट टाउन्स एंड ट्रेड्स लेड टू न्यू आइडियाज एंड थॉट्स अबाउट वर्शिप। फिर लोगों के नए आइडियाज आए, नए थॉट्स आए, राइट? एंड अ बिलीफ केम दैट ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स पास थ्रू काउंटलेस साइकिल्स ऑफ बर्थ and rebirth based on good or bad deeds. Do you know there's one term for this? What is the term? कि आपकी
Karma.
जो वेरी गुड शोभित, दैट इज कर्मा, राइट? एंड दिस बिलीफ वॉज एक्सेप्टेड बाय ऑल पीपल, स्टार्टेड एक्सेप्टिंग दिस बिलीफ दैट इट इज योर कर्मा ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ विच यू वुड बी लिविंग मेनी लाइफ्स, राइट? बट हमारे यहाँ क्या हुआ कि भाई we started segregating humans, right, with their belief in caste system. Let's see. Social benefits were treated as hereditary, right? Which type
That
of
they were
social?
accorded. What?
Kids, could you please tell me which type of social benefits are we talking about here? Which social benefits are we discussing here? हेरिडिटरी का मतलब पता है आपको? Tell me, children, do you know the meaning of hereditary?
नो मैम। मैम राजा का बेटा ही राजा बनेगा।
Yes, that is what hereditary means. राजा का बेटा ही राजा बनेगा। मतलब आप जिस कास्ट में हो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपका रिलीजन चूज होगा। अगर आप एक सोल्जर के बेटे हो, ठीक है, अगर आप क्षत्रिय के बेटे हो तो आप राजा या सोल्जर बनते हो, ठीक है। अगर आप पंडित के बेटे हो तो आप पंडित ही बनोगे। अगर आप शूद्रा के बेटे हो तो आप ये स्वीपिंग विपिंग की जॉब्स ही करोगे, है ना। सो सोशल बेनिफिट्स जो थे वो आपके हेरिडिटरी राइट्स बन गए।
were based on their caste status. Many people could not accept this.
Can you identify this person? Who is he in the picture?
Gautam Buddha.
Gautam Buddha. Do you know what was his real name? What was his original name? Does anyone
सिद्धार्थ।
know? हाँ जी,
सिद्धार्थ।
Siddharth, exactly. And do you know who he was before becoming a saint? सेंट बनने से पहले पता है कौन थे? He was a king. He was King Siddharth. पता है आपको ये बात? He had a kingdom. He was a king. चलो, let's read.
Practice and started following the teaching of Buddha or the Jainas, in which people were taught how to overcome social differences and break the cycle of hereditary benefits.
मतलब चाहे वो गौतम बुद्धा की टीचिंग्स रही हो, चाहे वो जैन्स की टीचिंग्स रही हो, ठीक है, इन लोगों ने बताया कि ये जो सोशल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हमारे कास्ट में, हमारे रिलीजन में आ चुका है, हाउ कैन वी ओवरकम दिस। अगर आप बुद्धिज्म की बात करो या जैनिज्म की बात करो तो इसमें क्या हुआ, वाई पीपल स्टार्टेड बिकमिंग वेरी अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स दीज रिलीजन्स वाज दिस ओनली दैट हिंदुइज्म हैड अ लॉट ऑफ कास्टिज्म, है ना, अपर कास्ट, लोअर कास्ट, दिस दैट। बट ये जो नए रिलीजन्स इमर्ज हुए, राइट, इधर मिडिवल एरा में, इन रिलीजन्स में कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ही नहीं था, राइट, दे एवरीबॉडी वाज इक्वल है। एंड इन रिलीजन्स में सिखाया ये जा रहा था हाउ टू ओवरकम दीज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, हम इन डिस्क्रिमिनेशन से ऊपर कैसे बढ़ सकते हैं, राइट।
There were also other groups of people who chose the path of devotion and were attracted towards the idea of a supreme God. The devotional path was mentioned in Bhagavad Gita as well. Let's learn more about this devotional path. Local deities were linked to Shiva, Vishnu, and Durga, and
Do you
eventually
know the meaning of local deities, या deities? DEITIES? What's the meaning of deities? बताइए। Nobody knows। अरे पिक्चर देख के सब।
मैम मैम मेन गॉड।
Yeah, deities refers to the gods, है ना। So जो शिवा थे, विष्णु थे, they were considered as the main deities, they were considered as main gods। and जो local deities थे, आपके local gods थे, लोगों ने उनको इनके साथ रिलेट करना शुरू कर दिया, कहते ना, incarnation of शिवा, incarnation of विष्णु, incarnation of दुर्गा। So they started considering the local deities with, or connecting the local deities with the main deities।
these three were considered to be the three main deities. Along with devotional practices, many myths were added to Puranic stories, which gained wide popularity in the early centuries.
What is the meaning of a myth, children? What does a myth mean?
मैम समथिंग दैट इज नॉट ट्रू। मैम की जो है मैम मैम झूठी बात है, लेकिन जो है सब उसको सच मानते हो।
मतलब एक टाइप का वहम कह सकते हैं ना आप,
यस मैम।
है ना। ठीक है। ओके। तो myths were added to Puranic stories, were very popular कहीं ना कहीं। पुराने स्टोरीज में कुछ मिथ्स एडेड थे, लोग उसको विश्वास मान लेते थे कि अरे ऐसा ही हुआ होगा, ऐसा ही हुआ होगा.
Of the common era. Reading Puranas gave people the idea that devotion is the only means through which anyone can be closer to God.
बट मतलब पहले जो मिथ्स ये थे जुड़े पुराने स्टोरी से कि भाई भगवान को तक पहुंचाने वाले आपको कौन है, ये प्रीस्ट हैं, इनकी हेल्प से आप भगवान तक पहुंच सकते हो, यही आपको हेल्प कराएंगे. बट जब लोगों ने खुद जाके अपने पुराणास अपने वेदास पढ़े, ठीक है, देन दे रियलाइज दैट नो, देयर इज ओनली वन वे ऑफ रीचिंग टू गॉड, दैट इज डिवोशन, दैट इज भक्ति. इफ यू आर डिवोटेड टुवर्ड्स गॉड, देन यू कैन रीच गॉड थ्रू एनी मीन्स, राइट. उसके लिए आपको फिर बड़े बड़े यज्ञ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. उसके लिए आपको कह सकते हो, क्या बोलते हैं, आइडल वर्शिप करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जरूरी नहीं आप
मैम
मंदिर
प्लीज
है ना, जरूरी नहीं आप
प्लीज
मंदिर में की पूजा करोगे तभी आप भगवान तक पहुंच सकते हो. नो, इफ यू आर सर्विंग पीपल, इफ यू आर डूइंग गुड, देन ऑल्सो यू वुड बी एबल टू रीच गॉड, राइट. इफ यू आर जस्ट सिटिंग एंड मेडिटेटिंग अंडर अ ट्री, then also you can reach God. You don't need to show all this to God. आपको भगवान को दिखाने की जरूरत थोड़ी कि I am devoted to you. You just need to be
मैम
devoted truly. हाँ जी.
मैम प्लीज को भी पैसे देखने की वो
एग्जैक्टली,
जरूरत
इसको
नहीं।
पैसे देने की, प्रीस्ट से मतलब पहले पैसे तो नहीं, पहले गिफ्ट्स दिए जाते थे महंगे महंगे, तो वो सब देने की कोई जरूरत है नहीं.
And attain prosperity, irrespective of their caste. The idea of bhakti was also adopted by the Buddhists and Jainas. In the southern part of India, during the 7th to 9th centuries, caste was not a barrier for people to worship their god. Even groups counted as untouchables, like Pulayars and Panas, were among the new group of devotees. Saints who were devoted to Shiva were named Nayanars, and the saints who were devoted to Vishnu were called Alvars.
Kids, this is important, right? Okay, remember who were Nayanas and who were Alvars. Can you tell me who were Nayanas and who were Alvars?
Ma'am, who
मैम
worship the
Nayanas
Shiva?
were
Ma'am,
who
who worship the Shiva?
worship the Shiva and
Is
मैम
Narayan
Alvars
are who worship the
people who
Vish-
worship Vishnu.
Vishnu. Alvars were the worshippers of,
Ma'am, Vishnu ji.
and Narayana and Nayanas were the worshippers of Shiva.
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 The Nayanars and Alvars were critical of the Buddhist and Jain practices. The Nayanars and Alvars were inspired by Sangam literature. Let's discuss these devotees separately.
बताइए, which of the following gods were associated with local deities in India?
Ma'am, Lord Vishnu and
I'm Lord
Lord
Goddess
Shiva.
Durga.
Lord Brahma.
क्या?
Brahma. I'm Lord Brahma.
Ma'am, Lord
Lord
Vishnu.
Brahma, ma'am Brahma.
ब्रह्मा तो नहीं.
Lord Vishnu.
गुड, दुर्गा भी तो थी, शिवा भी थे.
शिव जी भी
I'm Lord Brahma.
ब्रह्मा नहीं थे. थे ब्रह्मा? You people tell me, I'll mark whatever you say.
No, ma'am. Brahma
ma'am.
नहीं
No,
था
ma'am.
मैम।
Ma'am, नहीं थे.
As mentioned earlier, the Nayanas were worshippers of Shiva who belonged to various backgrounds such as potters, untouchable workers,
मतलब सी नाउ यहाँ पे कास्ट बैरियर साउथ इंडिया में खत्म ही हो चुका था बिल्कुल, राइट. ऑल द पीपल हु डिवोटेड शिवा केम अंडर वन कम्युनिटी, राइट, दैट वर द नायनर्स. अब इट डजंट मैटर वेदर यू आर अ ब्राह्मण, you were a potter, you were a, what do we say, an untouchable, whatever caste you belong to doesn't matter, you came under one subhead, that was devotee of Shiva, that's it.
peasants, hunters, soldiers, brahmanas, and chiefs. There were 63 Nayanars in total, but the best among them were Sambandar, Sundarar, and Manikavasagar. Devaram and Tiruvachakam are the two sets of compilations of their songs. Similarly, Alvards were worshippers of Vishnu who came from equally different backgrounds. There were 12 Alvars, but the best known were Periyalvar, Namalvar, etc. Their songs were compiled in the Divya Prabandham. During the 10th and 12th centuries, Saint poets used to visit many places. The kings of Chola and Pandya dynasties built many temples in these places. Building temples strengthened the connection between the Bhakti movement and temple worship.
हाँ जी. Dash Saints compilation of songs is known as Divya Prabandham. सुना ही नहीं किसने ध्यान से. बताइए बताइए. Yes, kids, tell me the answer. Hello, hello, hello. Are you there? Children, time is going. Tell me quickly. What should come here? G. Hurry up.
मैम नायाना.
Niners. Okay. I'm going as what you say. हाँ जी. Andal was one of the 12 what?
अलवर.
Okay.
अलवर.
Hmm. Dash compiled songs in Tevaram and Tiruvakacham. Kids, tell me quickly. That is why I tell you to be attentive all the time. Tell me quickly. बताइए भाई. Children, what would come here?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I think the third answer will Niners and first side only.
And first?
Ma'am, first side only.
First you don't know.
Ma'am, third will be Niners.
Okay. Let's see what is it. Second and wrong. See, the first was Alvar. Alvar Saints compiled songs known compilation of songs is known as Divya Prabandham. Andal was one of the 12 Alvars, and it was Nayanas who have compiled songs in Tevram and Thiruvachakam. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So be attentive all the time.
During the same era, religious biographies.
See, what are hagiographies? Again, one important question. The religious biographies of Nayanas and Alvar saints, right, were later on known as hagiographies. What were they known as? What are hagiographies?
Biography.
What are hagiographies?
Religious biography of
Biography.
Narayanas
Not
and Alvaras,
Narayana,
Alvar
Nayanar.
saints.
Also called hagiographies, of the Nayanar and Alvar saints were written. These hagiographies are the source of the history of the Bhakti tradition. Let us now recap all that we have learned till now.
Anji, understood this much?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have also sent the PDF.
Thank you,
As the
Suti.
land of the mystics, countless invasions could not deprive the people of this land of their faith. Rather, it absorbed new religions.
Now, as you know, we have read that India में क्या हुए बहुत सारे invasions हुए. A lot of people have come to India, acquired India, whether it were the Muslims, whether it were the Mughals, right? Whether it were the Britishers. So whenever they came to India, do you think they have brought the religion to India as well?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right? The Mughals have brought Islam, the Britishers have brought Christianity, the Portugals have brought Portuguese. You know?
Let us go back to the period after the 13th century, when North India witnessed a new wave of the Bhakti movement. This was a period as Brahmanical Hinduism, Islam, various strands of Bhakti, Nathpanths, Siddhas, and yogis influenced each other. New towns and kingdoms gave rise to new professions like craftspersons, peasants, traders, and laborers. These people were attracted to the new saints who spread their ideas.
देखो, now can you tell me why these people were attracted to the saints? देखो, there was one major religion because these were the people who belonged to the lower caste. These were the people who were mistreated by the society. So उन्हें एक ऐसा religion दिखा ना जब जहाँ पे उन्हें equality मिल रही थी, respect मिल रही थी. तो obviously बात है जो चीज आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगी, जब आपको वो चीज कहीं थोड़ी सी भी मिल रही होगी, आपको थोड़ी सी भी respect मिल रही है, equality मिल रही है, then you would be attracted towards that, right? So that is why these potters, right, जितने भी untouchables थे, शूद्रास थे, they started rejecting the orthodox religions. Orthodox का मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? What does the word orthodox means?
Ma'am, a person who tells about that religion.
नहीं 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 नहीं, ऑर्थोडॉक्स का मतलब होता है पुरानी सोच वाले, राइट? जो पुराने धारणाएं लेके चल रहे थे, जो अभी भी मान रहे थे नहीं कास्टिज्म है, देयर इज कास्टिज्म, देयर इज डिफरेंशिएशन, देयर इज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. ऐसे रिलीजन्स को छोड़ छोड़ के जो न्यू रिलीजन्स जहाँ पे उन्हें इक्वालिटी मिल रही थी, पीपल स्टार्टेड एक्सेप्टिंग दोज रिलीजन्स एंड बीइंग अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स दोज रिलीजन्स. ठीक है?
It's like Kabir and Baba Guru Nanak rejected all orthodox religions. Saints like Tulsidas and Surdas accepted existing beliefs and customs, but wanted to make them available to everyone.
देखो, अलग अलग सेंट्स इस टाइम पे पॉपुलर हुए थे. ठीक है, अब 1 मिनट बचा है बस मीटिंग ओवर होने में. नाउ द मीटिंग इज अबाउट टू गेट ओवर, सो आई विल डिस्कस दिस लेटर विद यू इन डिटेल. ठीक है, इन नेक्स्ट क्लास, दैट इज टुमारो. आज तुम्हारी कोई क्लास
Okay,
है
ma'am.
तो हम इसको कल अच्छे से डिस्कस करेंगे. अभी आज हमने जितना पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
नाउ टुडेज वर्क इज प्लीज रीड द बुक एज वेल. आज आप अपनी बुक पढ़ के आना. ठीक है, जितना हमने पढ़ा है वहां तक रीड थ्रू योर बुक एंड देन विल डिस्कस कि हाउ कुड यू रिलेट विद द कंटेंट ऑफ द बुक. ठीक? ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
प्लीज कंप्लीट योर वर्क एंड शेयर इट ऑन द ग्रुप. आज मैप्स भी हो जाने चाहिए. ठीक है?
Ma'am, I also sent 3 maps.
You send the maps, I will check